War Day number 714. 714 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, February the 7th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, this afternoon, I will start with these regular puzzles, 3 regular puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And the first one is the Sudoku with 3 stars, number 7953. 7953, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. And usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. Well, this one has 1 more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Let me see. How about the 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 7 should be here. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 place level 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. Then we have a pair, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the last column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3, okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the number? Do we have all 2s? No. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. Alright. And now, 3. How about the number? I need a 5 here. I need a 5 there. Okay. We have three missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 157, 157, 157, 157, and look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this column, so no 5 and 7 in this box. 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those. Here also 8 and the 9. Alright. Then, the 4 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in this big square, no 4 there. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then, let me see. So here 8 and the 9 are missing. Okay, need a 1 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 9 here. And then 7. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and a 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 7 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. Then, what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the first column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. 1, no, here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet, 4 and the 6. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Need a 7 here. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Okay, interesting. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 8 and 9. Let me mark those. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left, same numbers, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Also 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4, wait. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 2 stars, or 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. And faster than 14 minutes. Should be at 0 stars. Yeah, faster than 14 or 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.